Hello dear students, I am your mathematics teacher. Welcome you to the mathematics online classes. In this video, we are going to learn about fractions and decimals. Coming to fraction. Fraction containing two parts, numerator and the denominator. Numerator is the selected part and denominator is the total number of parts. We have already studied about the fractions. Now, the types of fractions are proper fraction, improper fraction and a mixed fraction. Now coming to proper fraction. What is a proper fraction? When the numerator is less than the denominator, then it is proper fraction. For example, here this is the numerator and this is denominator. Here numerator part is less than the denominator. Here some more examples are there. 3 by 4, 5 by 6. Now coming to improper fraction. In this fraction, denominator is less than the numerator. For example, see here, this is the denominator. It is less than the numerator. 3 by 2, 5 by 4, 7 by 6. Here we are taking the denominator part lesser than the numerator. Now coming to mixed fraction. It is the combination of whole number and a proper fraction. For example, we have to take one whole number and a proper fraction. When it is mixed together, it is a mixed fraction. Let us take the next concept, addition of a fraction. How to add two different fractions? Taking one example, 4 by 5 plus 2 by 5. Here, see, denominator part is same. Therefore, keep denominator as it is. 5, 5. Denominator is 5. Coming to the numerator part, 4 plus 2. Add 4 plus 2, that is 6. 6 by 5 is the answer. One more example, 4 by 2 plus 7 by 8. Here the denominator part are different, 2 and 8. When the denominators are different, we have to take the LCM of 2, 8. So, how to take the LCM? 2, 8. Take the factors. 2 1s are 2 4s are. 2 1s are 2 2s are. 2 1s are 2 1s are. So, multiply the factors. 2 into 2 into 2. LCM is 8. So, keep that 8 in the denominator part. Now, 2 4s are 8 and 8 1s are 8. So, now multiply the numerator part. 4 4s are 16 plus 7 1s are 7. Now we have to add the numerator part. 16 plus 7 is 23 divided by 8. So this is the answer. Now coming to third example. Here it is mixed fraction. We have already studied how to convert the mixed fraction. So first we have to convert it. 3 2s are 6 plus 2. 8 by 3. Now again convert this one. 3 2s are 6 plus 1. 7 by 2. Again we are getting denominator parts are different. So 3, 2. LCM of 3 and 2 are 6. So 3 2s are 6. 2 3s are 6. Now multiply the numerator part. 8 2s are 16 plus 7 3s are 21. Now add these both. We get 37 by 16. Now coming to subtraction of a fraction. How to subtract the fraction? Taking One example, 4 by 5 minus 2 by 5. See here again the denominator part is same. So keep denominator as it is. In the numerator part 4 minus 2. If it is minus we have to subtract. If it is plus we have to add. Now here it is minus. Therefore we are subtracting the numerator part. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 by 5. Now coming to one more example. 4 by 2 minus 7 by 8. Here the denominator parts is different. So taking the LCM of 2,8. 2,8. LCM of this denominator part is 8. Now keep 8 in the denominator part and multiply it by the denominator. 2 4s are 8, 8 1s are 8. So 4 4s are 16, 7 1s are 7. Here it is minus. Therefore we are taking here minus sign. 16 minus 7 is 9 by 8. Now third example, 2 and 2 by 3 minus 3 and 1 by 2. First we have to convert these mixed fraction to improper fraction. So by converting this, 2 into 3 is 6 plus 2 is 8 by 3. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7 by 2. Now LCM of 3, 2. Whenever the denominator part are different, we have to take the LCM. Otherwise, we have to keep as it is. Now here 3, 2. Both are different. So LCM of 3, 2 is 6. 3 2s are 6. 2 3s are 6. Therefore, multiplying the numerator part, 8 2s are 16 minus 7 3s are 21. 16 minus 21 is 5 by 6. Here minus 21. Bigger number is having minus symbol. Therefore, the answer will come in the negative form. 5 by minus 5 by 6. Taking next concept, multiplication of a fraction. Observe the pictures given here. I have taken a circle and divided into 4 parts. Total parts are 4. It is in the denominator part. Now selected part is only one shaded part. So that is 1 by 4. Similar way, here also circle is having only one part is shaded. So total parts are 4. Only one part is taken here. 1 by 4. When we combine these together, we get in a circle 2 parts are shaded. This means 2 pictures. 1, 2. 2 pictures into 1 by 4 part of a circle is equal to 2 by 4 part of a circle. We take some fractions to multiply. See. First example, 7 into 3 by 5. It is a whole number. When we have whole number, we have to just multiply it by the numerator. 7 into 3 is 21. Keep this 5 as it is, because in the denominator part here it is 1. When it is a whole number, it having 1 in the denominator. So 7 into 3 is 21. 5 into 1 is 5. So answer is 21 by 5. Let us take one more example. 2 into 6 by 7. Similar way, 2 into 6 is 12. 7 keep as it is. Again 5 by 2 into 6. So 5 6 are 30. 2 1s are 2. Here when it is a whole number, it is having 1 in the denominator. So 2 into 1 is 2. When it is 30 by 2, we can again simplify this in the lowest form. So 2 1s are 2, 2 15s are. So we get 15 by 1, that is 15. Fourth example, 1 by 4 into 3 by 5. It is also a fraction. Fraction is multiplying one more fraction. So both the fractions we have to multiply. 1 into 3 is 3. 4 into 5 is 20. Again, we can't simplify this, so keep as it is, 3 by 20. 1 by 7 into 2 by 9. 1 into 2 is 2. 7 into 9 is 63. So, we can't simplify this. 2 by 63, we can keep as it is. 2 by 5 into 5 and 1 by 4. So here it is a fraction, but here this fraction is in terms of mixed fraction. So 2 by 5 is as it is. We have to convert this 5 and 1 by 4 fraction in terms of improper fraction. So 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 1 is 21 by 4. So keep 21 by 4 in the respective place. So 2 by 5 into 21 by 4. So multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. 2 into 21 is 42. 5 4s are 20. Again we can simplify this. So 2 21s are 2 10s are. We can cancel it and we can write 21 by 10. Now let us study division of fraction. Before we go to the division of fraction, we have to understand the concept reciprocal of fraction. Reciprocal of a fraction can be obtained by interchanging the numerator and denominator of the given fraction. Means if 5 by 9 is the fraction, reciprocal of 5 by 9 is 9 by 5. We have to interchange the numerator and the denominator by taking 9 by 5. See, here numerator is 5 and denominator is 9. But we have interchanged the numerator to 9 and denominator to 5. So, if it is clear, now we can solve the examples. 7 divided by 2 by 5. So 7 as it is, when this division is converted to multiplication, we have to write the next to this 2 by 5 fraction into reciprocal of fraction. It can be interchanged. 2 by 5 can be interchanged to 5 by 2. Now we can multiply this as usual. 7 into 5 is 35. 1 into 2 is 2. We can't simplify this further, so keep as it is. Again 8 by 5 divided by 2 by 3. 8 by 5 we have to keep as it is. Here no change in the first fraction. Next, when we interchange the symbol division into multiplication, we have to convert this into reciprocal of fraction. We have to write this in terms of 2 by 3 to 3 by 2. We converted this into reciprocal of fraction. So 8 3s are 24. 5 2s are 10. We can simplify this. So again we cancel this. 2 12s are 2 5s are. So 12 by 5 is the answer. Again one more example. 2 by 5 divided by 1 by 2. Now 2 by 5 keep as it is. This division is converted to multiplication. 1 by 2 can be written as 2 by 1. Now you can understand why we have written here 2 by 1. So 2 2s are 4, 5 1s are 5. 4 by 5 is the answer.